WHO's updated guidelines, there is possibility of airborne transmission of COVID-19. Current evidence suggests virus spreads mainly between people in close contact, typically within 1 meter, said WHO. Virus can also spread in poorly ventilated indoor settings. This is because aerosols remain suspended in air or travel farther than 1 meter, WHO added. Billionaire Elon Musk led space company SpaceX has launched another batch of 60 Starlink satellites from Florida into the low Earth orbit. The launch marked SpaceX's 10th successful Starlink mission of 2021 and the second one within a week. SpaceX has received over 5 lakh orders for its satellite internet service and all of them will most likely receive service, Musk said. Cadbury Dairy Milk chocolate manufacturer Mondelez International said it would contribute nearly 15 crores to aid COVID-19 relief efforts in India. In a statement, the company said the money will be used to purchase medical supplies and critical equipment for the country's frontline workers. Mondelez will also continue distributing its products to those affected by the second wave. RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das on Wednesday announced a term liquidity facility of 50,000 crore for access to emergency health security till March 2022. Under this facility, banks will be able to provide fresh lending support to vaccine manufacturers, vaccine importers, suppliers of oxygen cylinders and ventilators, and others. Banks can classify these loans as priority sector lending, Das added. IIT Madras and UK researchers had developed a paper-based sensor that can detect antimicrobial pollutants which induce antimicrobial resistance in water bodies. The sensor is based on a see and tell mechanism that makes it logistically effective for wide implementation. The practical applications of this sensor include food safety analysis, environmental and healthcare monitoring. A malware said to be targeting Android users in India has been reported. The SMS worm tricks users in downloading a fake COVID-19 vaccination registration app, enabling unauthorized access or restricting access to private accounts and services and exposing personal data. Our investigation indicated this malware campaign is currently targeting India, a cyber report said. Steel Authority of India Limited said that it has increased its daily limit oxygen supply to 1,100 metric tons per day. The company was supplying around 500 metric tons of oxygen in the second week of April. SAIL added that it has supplied around 50,000 metric tons of liquid medical oxygen to the health facilities so far. Air India has said that it will start a vaccination drive for its employees next week and it expects all of its staff, including pilots and cabin crew, to be vaccinated by May end. The statement came after an Air Indian pilots union threatened to stop work if the airline failed to set up vaccination camps for them. Telangana recorded 6,361 COVID-19 cases on May 4, while 77,435 tests were performed. Results of 3,882 were awaited. From the past 6 days, that is April 29 to May 4, around 77,000 samples were examined in a day. Chief Secretary Somesh Kumar explained that 120 tons of oxygen is required daily in Telangana, and they had made available only 400 tons of oxygen. He said that he had talked to the central government as per the demand and asked them to send the cylinders and remdesivir injections to Telangana. Currently, 11 lakh COVID kits are available in the state and RT-PCR tests are also available in every district, he added. Mask up, wash your hands and sanitize them regularly. If outdoors, maintain social distancing. If possible, stay at home. Together, we can make this happen.